So in this video we'll learn about one question that is related to an SQL, that is how to switch to another database in SQL. Okay, so for example, if there are many databases, you think there are many databases. For example, the first database is a student database, and the second database is an employee database, and the third database is an hotel database. For example, if you want to work with an student database, how do you switch to another database? Means, for example, if you want to work with a student database, what you use a command means we use what is followed by a database name, okay, and then the semicolon. So use what is a database name here. For example, if I want to work with a student, I can give use student. Okay, so that is a database name you will write. So basically, what is the use of this use command means? The use command in SQL means, basically, if you want to work with a specific database, for example, if I want to work with the hotel database, afterwards I want to work with the employee database. For that purpose, if I want to work with a specific database where I can perform further subqueries or where I can perform the queries operations, during that time we can use, if you want to switch to the database, at that point we can use and then followed by a database name.